When many of you are first diagnosed with osteoporosis, you might be terrified that one wrong move could break a bone. This one exercise, simple, low cost, and completely natural, became a total game changer for me. I didn't need a gym, I didn't need fancy equipment, and over time, my bone density actually improved. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely and why it's so effective, especially for women over 50. This is part of my Reversed Osteoporosis Naturally video series where I share what really worked for me. To skip my explanations and go straight to the start of the exercise, open the description box below the video and tap the blue timestamp where it says exercise starts here. At least one study has shown that doing a stomping exercise helped postmenopausal women to gain real bone. A more impactful exercise is jumping, but many women can't do jumping or shouldn't do jumping because of issues with their feet or knees, or their osteoporosis numbers are really bad and they need to stick to less impactful exercises. Stomping is the next level lower of impactfulness below jumping. Several other videos on my channel explain how this works, and I'll also link to the study I mentioned in the description box. Some people do this stomping exercise in bare feet and others wear gym shoes. Now, I wear gym shoes because I have feet issues. You can do what you're comfortable with, shoes or no shoes. You'll need a hard floor surface for this exercise, not carpet. Now, my home is filled with carpet, so I'm on this little bit of ceramic tile for filming. You can do this in your kitchen, basement, garage, anywhere you have flooring. I have an optional chair next to me for support. If you do this exercise in your kitchen, you can use the kitchen counter for optional support. To do this stomp, I'm going to pick up my foot at least 9 inches off the floor, which is only about this high. You can do it higher if you want, but 9 inches is the minimum. When you pick up your foot to stomp, you want to stomp with your whole foot down on the floor, including your heel. And you don't want to just stomp on the front part of your foot. You want the entire foot. You can put your hands on your hips or hold on to something for support. It's up to you. Now for breathing, I typically inhale when I pick up my foot and exhale when I stomp my foot. Now in the study, they did 4 stomps per foot, and they did that twice a day, 5 days a week. Now I'm going to do 4 stomps per foot as well, which is a total of 8 stomps. If you want to do more, you can do more. You can do the stomps with me, alternating the left and right foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did that feel? Do you feel some of the impact coming through the stomp and through your foot up into your leg? Now, I have other videos that you can watch with other exercises you can do at home to build strong bones. Several of them are posted in the description box or in the first comment. As I reboot the Reverse Osteoporosis Naturally series in the next few weeks, as the subsequent videos go live, I'll link them in the end cards on the right side of your screen and in the description box and first comment. So tap one of those images to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.